Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do my jab together. Now the reason we're doing this is because when I first started on Mounjaro, I actually had no clue, even reading the leaflet, how to do it. I'd never administered anything myself ever. I had no clue what to do. So I just want to show you what it is that you do when you administer. Now, I just want to give a trigger warning. There will be a show of a needle, but I will not be showing it going into my body, because I just feel like that would be irresponsible on the internet. But I will tell you what I'm doing at that time. But I want to show you what it looks like and what you do. So I'm currently on 10 milligrams. You start off on 2.5 milligrams. The Mounjaro pen, if you have anything that doesn't look like this, you have been sold something that isn't Mounjaro and you need to stop taking it immediately. I know some people think that they can surpass going through a legitimate pharmacy. You can't. So what it looks like is a little pen. That's why it's called a Kwik Pen. Okay, the Mounjaro Kwik Pen. It's by the company Eli Lilly, or say Lilly on the side. This says once weekly you get 4 doses, and I will explain what that looks like. So in this pen I've done 1 dose, and this is what it looks like after 1 dose. And you can tell because you've got lines here. So there's not a line there to say you've done 1 dose. There's 3 here. This at the end is not a dose. This is what you're using to prime your pen. Don't take that. That is what people are trying to say is a golden dose. It's not insured. Your pharmacist will not tell you to do it. Lily says don't do it. Don't do it, right? It's not worth it. It's not, it may be even more than a full dose in there. Don't do it. Now, everybody's adults. They can do what they want. I'm telling you, don't do it. And I have never done it. So we are going to get this prepped. So you can see at the top here, there's like a little red rubber, which is where your needle goes in. I have got a swab here. I'm going to use this swab not only on here, but I'm going to use it on my injection site. Now, I always just clean the tip here. I don't know why. I've gotten used to it. I also now use this to wipe my injection site, which is my thigh. I find my thigh is the best in terms of no side effects and a slower absorption rate, which means for me, I don't get any side effects at all. And it also, I've got quite chunky thighs, so it feels better going in because I don't feel anything at all. Right. We are going to take the needle. This one is 6 mil. You will probably get 4 mil with your orders, especially if you go with Ushk. They give you 6 4 mil needles. Now they'll give you extra just in case one's blunt. Okay, so you know it's blunt because it will not project the, well, you don't know it's blunt if it hurts, but you'll also know if it's broken, if you don't get the little bit of stuff coming out. So there is a needle. You're going to see a needle. Look how thin it is. It's like the thinness of a hair. Okay, you can see it's not even that long. That's 6 mils. So what we do to prep our pen. So number 1, make sure there's no bubbles. Not that it matters because this is a subcutaneous injection. You click twice. 1, 2. Now watch. Hopefully you'll see it because my hair's there. Yes, a little bit's going to come out. You have now prepped the pen. Now, you have got 4 doses in here. That doesn't mean that the whole pen is your dose. Do not do the whole pen. You do 1 whole twist. It feels like it's never going to end. As soon as you see that number 1 in that little window there, and it cannot go further, you have got to the end. When you are about to inject, do not pinch the skin. Make an OK sign on your skin and widen your fingers to tighten the skin, and then put the injection in, and I'll do it now so you can see what I'm doing, right? So we're going to go like that. We're going onto the skin where I want it. And then I'm going to, just going to put it in to where I want to go. Just in there. I cannot even feel that. So that is now in. You now push it down slowly. Okay. Very slowly. And then when you get to the bottom, count to 5. That make sure that is pushed all the way in. Count to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then pull out slowly. Done. There shouldn't really be any blood or anything. If it happens, don't worry, okay? You then pop the cap back on to the needle. Now, you don't have to put the little one back on, but I always do, just because. Pop that back on, and then you want to take your needle off. I have to undo it this way first, and then I squeeze it like that. It's now off. You put that in your needle bin that you get, okay? And then you put the cap back on. I just want to show you, we know now that that is now 2 because it hit that first line there. The little line there, that has been administered 2 times, and I've got 2 doses left. Pop the cap back on, pop it back into your box or your case. I have a case, looks like this. I put this in the fridge. This is also completely good for taking on holiday. And then I've got it ready for next week. So this goes in the fridge. That is how you administer it. If you did want to know anything else, please comment down below. Hopefully that has been really helpful, because I didn't know. I had no idea when I started Mounjaro how to do it. I hope you have a really good day. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, or if it's been helpful. Comment down below with any questions, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care.